How to delete photos from Instagram chat media. Did you know that every single photo and video ever sent in your Instagram direct messages is quietly being stored in your chat media? And it could be taking up serious space on your phone or simply sitting there when you would rather it did not. In the next 2.5 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how to find and delete photos from your Instagram chat media, step by step, quickly, and permanently. Welcome back. When you send or receive photos and videos through Instagram direct messages, Instagram automatically saves all of that media inside what is called chat media. Most people have never even looked at this section, but it can pile up with hundreds of images over time. Today, I am walking you through exactly how to clean it all up, whether you want to remove one specific photo or clear out everything at once. Step 1. Open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage and that your app is updated to the latest version available in 2025 or 2026. An outdated app may show a slightly different layout, so updating first will make sure your screen matches everything I am describing. Step 2. Go to your direct messages. Tap the paper airplane icon or the messenger icon located in the top right corner of your Instagram home screen. This will open your direct messages inbox where all of your conversations are listed. Step 3. Open the specific conversation. Find and tap on the chat that contains the photos or media you want to delete. This will open the full conversation thread between you and that person or group. Step 4. Access the chat settings. Once you are inside the conversation, look at the top of the screen and tap on the person's name or the group name displayed at the very top center of the chat. Tapping on that name will open the conversation details and settings page for that specific chat. Step 5. Find the media section. On the conversation details page, scroll down and you will see a section labeled Media, Files, or Chat Media, depending on your version of the app. Tap on it to open a full grid view of every single photo and video that has ever been shared inside that conversation, both the ones you sent and the ones you received. Step 6. Select the photo or photos you want to delete. Press and hold on any photo or video inside the media grid. This will activate a selection mode, where a checkmark circle appears on each item. Continue tapping on any additional photos or videos you want to remove until you have selected everything you wish to delete. Step 7. Delete the selected media. Once you have made your selections, look for the delete option that appears, either at the bottom of the screen or in a pop-up menu. Tap delete and then confirm your choice when Instagram asks you to verify. The selected media will be removed from the chat immediately. Now here is something really important to understand. When you delete a photo from chat media on your side, it removes it from your view of the conversation. However, the other person in the chat may still be able to see it on their device unless they also delete it from their end. So if privacy is your main concern, keep that in mind and communicate with the other person if needed. And here is your pro tip. If you want to avoid chat media building up in the future, go to your Instagram settings, tap Privacy, then Messages, and review your media autosave settings. Turning off automatic saving of media to your device means fewer files quietly piling up without your knowledge, keeping both your phone storage and your Instagram account cleaner going forward. So to quickly recap everything you just learned, you opened Instagram, went to your direct messages, selected a conversation, tapped the contact name at the top, opened the media section, selected the photos you wanted to remove, and deleted them in just a few taps. Clean, simple, and done in under 2 minutes. If this video saved you some storage space or helped you take back a little more control over your Instagram privacy, go ahead and hit that like button right now. It really does make a big difference for this channel. Subscribe so you never miss a quick and useful tutorial like this one. And drop a comment below telling me, did you find a lot of hidden media in your Instagram chats that you had completely forgotten about? I read every comment, and I would love to know. See you in the next video.